Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Bea, and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a video of me redecorating my room because as you can see, I have a new background. And yeah, so first of all, I did not film me buying these stuff, just decorating my room, because if I did me buying it, it would be too long because I was like, it took me like 2 hours. Yeah. And before we go on to the video, again, make sure you subscribe down below. It's free, so you have nothing to lose there. And make sure you follow my social medias so that you will be updated with me more. And yeah, so let's get on to the video. I don't know which way. Okay, so I just finished fixing this table, and I don't know if this is a table, but this. So this is, I just put all of the like stationery stuff there, and then here I put some stationery stuff that I use, and then like the stuff that I that used to be there, it's still there, but then I just added this. And I just fix it a little bit. So now the table is more empty. And yeah, so now it's time to fix the bed, the wall, and the curtains. So let's go. Okay, so I also finished doing the curtain. So this is actually the back of the curtain. This is the front. So it has like puppies at the bottom, but like I'm just gonna tie that up. And basically I just used this so that it would match with my throw pillow cover, I think. Yeah. So yeah. So now I think we're going to move on to changing the pillowcases. So yeah.
"12 seconds later."
You first enter the room, you see that. So, see the curtain, and I got these new curtain. I got everything from Landmark, Philippines, so yeah. So it has blue, green, gray, and pink dots, and it has like puppies at the bottom. And I know it looks long, but then we're gonna like trim it later. If you're wondering what that red thing is, it's just this like Elmo doll, and I'm gonna give it to my younger cousin. Then another thing that you first see is my table. So I know it looks like a mess right now, but it was way messier before. So I have these stuff, and then I have my iPad, and then I have my money, which I'm not showing you. Bookmarks that I made, and if you want to see how I made these bookmarks, comment down below. And I don't know what that is, but I think it's like name tags. And then, yeah. And then I have this rack with bags. So this is a compilation of my bag, my brother's bag, my dad's bag, and some of them my mom's bag. And then my favorite part is my bed. So first thing is this, like, not Polaroid, since there's only one Polaroid and it's of me and my friend. So yeah. But it's like a Polaroid wall, I guess. Anyways, and I just like use like sticky tack and just like fairy lights. And then it was like too long, since it's like 10 meters long. So I just put it there, and it actually looks nice here because it looks like that. And then I plugged it right there. And then my bed, which is also new, you can see. Let me just fix it a little bit. Okay. Okay, there. There's my bed, I guess. So this is actually new, like my throw pillow. I actually bought this. So I have a unicorn throw pillow, like a cacti pillow, and like some clouds and stars pillows. And then down there is like random stuff, and then here's the fan. And then here's where all like my markers and stationery are. And then here, these are like Christmas stuff and like some artsy stuff, I guess. But that's like where all like the Christmas tiny bags are. And then, wait, where the bags? Okay. And then in this drawer, like all my mom's essential oil stuff and some washi tapes. And then down here is the like everything is like artsy except for this. And yeah, so wait, that's not it. Well, I have this painting here, and then down there is all notebooks, papers, stuff like that. Up there is Wi-Fi, folders, paper, the typical stuff. So yeah. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs it up down below. And you subscribe. And comment what videos you want to see next. So yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.